This is a production technique that saved me years of producing. I used to struggle so much with theory, scales, chords, chord progressions, all that kind of stuff. For years, that was just like my downfall. I just wanted to make this video because I struggled for so long, and I know how like painful it can be just trying to work out some melodies or how to recreate something. This technique will kind of teach you basically how to not only recreate melodies that you like, but come up with original ideas that sound similar to that and have a similar vibe. So what I'd recommend is doing a little bit of searching and finding some MIDI that is in the genre that you like. Maybe like searching for artists. Like it might be a little bit easier to find like sort of bigger artists in your niche, but just looking for some MIDI. There's a lot of great MIDI out there. So basically I've got this MIDI. It's produced by Rod Made It. Well, the first thing to know is basically these bottom notes here. So these are like your bass notes or your root notes or your chord progression, basically. Depending on the style of music that you're making, this is extremely important. It's basically the formula to that genre. Generally speaking, this note will be the key that the melody's in. Not all the time, but majority of the time it will be. In this case, we're just going to assume that it's E. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my scale and I'm going to turn it on to E. And then we're going to have a look at the other notes in the scale to see if this is in a major mode or a minor. So looking at all our root notes, these all fit in there perfectly. It's looking like it's in a major scale. If we look at all these other notes that are in the melody, they're all looking like they fit except for this one up here, which is A sharp. And then all these ones down here, which is once again A sharp, just in a different octave. What I'm starting to think is that this is in an altered major mode. So I'm going to say, I think Lydian. Yeah, there we go. So it's in Lydian, which is a major scale with a raised fourth. So this melody is in E Lydian. All those notes fit. I'm liking the sound of the melody. I want to make my own version of it. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at this chord progression and I'm going to break it down and I'm going to basically steal these notes because this is the formula to my melody. So the progression goes 1, 7, 6, 3, 5, and back up to 7. So I'm going to open another MIDI over here and we're just going to create our own. But what I can do is I can change where they are and that'll help to create my own sound. And I'll just change the color of this to blue so that we can easily differentiate which is mine and which is Rod Made It. So now we've got our progression down and let's have a look at the other notes in the scale so that we can take inspiration from that. He's used the second note in the scale, the fourth and the fifth. That's the second note again, but it's just up an octave. This is the seventh. Let's play around with the second, the fourth, the fifth, and I think he had the seventh in there as well. So it's already sounding pretty similar, but we've got our own take on it. Now what I like to do, because I've got a good foundation, is just play with some voicing. So I've pitched this up an octave, maybe add in a few notes where you think it would sound good. Obviously, the possibilities are endless with this. You can just experiment and play around as much as you want. Instead of a bell, I had like a pad or strings. And this is something that I like to revisit every once in a while, just to kind of like branch out and try out different styles and kind of like work out how I can incorporate new ways of making melodies and making beats in different styles. So if you feel like you're stuck and you have like beat block or something, it's just like a really nice way to kind of do a little bit of a reset and change up what you're working on. So yeah, you get the idea of it, and that's how you create original ideas, by referencing MIDI, But yeah, still in the same key, the same progression, the same vibe. Let me know what you guys think, whether this helped you or not, or whether you're already doing it. I hope I help you guys, because for me, this is something that I struggled with for a while. As soon as I learned it, I was just like, had so much fun making stuff that I wanted to make. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, whatever you reckon. But yeah, cool. Thanks, guys.